Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, go look at my auction. I have some pretty nice cars up right now. There's people that play this game just like I do. Go look at the cars I got up. Like, that's gonna be get put up in a minute here. I'm making this quick video, so I will show you what's in my auction. Just give me one sec. So, these are all my auctions right here. Just go buy them. Someone bid on this. It's 3 mil, but yeah, these are all the cars I got up. Go bid on them and go buy them out. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe.